got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me.
Hey y'all, hey, today's video is some quick cleaning motivation, and it is in the kids zone. I'm going to be doing the bedroom, the bathroom, as well as the play space in the loft area. In this bedroom here, this is Lucas's room. I'm just freshening up his sheets and things with some Odo Band because it's midweek and I usually do this in all of the bedrooms, but I hope this video gives you a little bit of motivation to get on up and clean along with me. If you have just been feeling unmotivated like I have, that has been a problem around here as of late. I don't know what it is, but I'm getting out of my funk. So hopefully this video will help you guys as well as it helped me to clean my own space.
Be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall.
If you're not following me on Instagram, as you should be, you probably don't know this, but this little nightstand, I got this from the Goodwill for 10 bucks, and I painted it to the colors that you see here. But originally when I got it, it was this gray color. It was very badly painted. I redid it. It looks so good. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. On my Instagram, I do have a highlight called DIY projects, and you should go over there and check that out, because I definitely will be sharing all of my DIY projects over there, because it's not about the money for me. I could definitely put my DIYs on my channel, but my channel doesn't get a lot of views, so I really just want my work to inspire other people. And if it is going to inspire someone, I really want to put it on the platform that I get the most I want to say interaction. So yeah, maybe if YouTube puts my videos into recommendations, maybe I can transfer a little bit of those projects over to my YouTube channel. But this is what it looks like after I have tidied it up a bit. I didn't do a whole lot of cleaning here. You saw I just wiped surfaces, I vacuumed, but we are moving on to the bathroom. This is the area that needs the most healing. It's just a lost in the sauce situation right here. I gave the kids a bath the night before, and it was wash day for their hair, so it's pretty messy in there, and I drained it, and I didn't put anything back or wipe the walls off. But I'm using this 7th generation little all natural spray because Logan is underfoot, and I really don't want her to inhale a whole lot of chemicals. So I'm trying to keep this cleaning process just as healthy and natural as I possibly can.
You're home, I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well, not yet.
Just in case you don't know what I'm using here, this is a magic eraser for the bathroom in the scent lavender, I think. But I just want to introduce myself in case you guys are new here. My name is Denise and I am a stay-at-home mom of 2. I have a little girl named Logan and I have a little boy named Lucas, and he is in school right now. But yeah, on this channel here, it is a motherhood, homemaking, lifestyle channel. I do cover a whole lot over here. I do cleaning motivation, I do cooking inspiration. I do still dabble in my DIYs over here. It's mainly holiday inspired, home decor and things of that nature. But if you enjoy that type of content, please make sure you don't leave without subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so that you never miss an upload from me.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talked for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere.
Let me know down in the comments, does your kid love to play with the toilet tissue? I just don't understand what the thrill is. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and spray the toilet down and let that sit and marinate while I head over to clean the vanity. I'm just going to clean the mirror, clean the sink, put things back where I got them from. Little later on, I will show you that the lamp that I have in my bathroom, I love this lamp. It gives the bathroom great lighting, ambiance, or ambience, however you want to pronounce it. It attracts bugs, so I will take a little wet piece of tissue and clean that up. But for the most part, that's what you're going to see me doing. Tackling this vanity, and I'm going to clean the toilet, and we're going to wrap this up.
For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles. But if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely?
I will be adding a Clorox tablet to this toilet because I have issues with the water in all of the toilets. It leaves this weird ring around the toilet. So in order to prevent that, I always put these little bleach tablets in there, as well as the little Lysol clean gels, because it makes the toilet bowl smell so refreshed, and then it kind of cuts down on that bleach smell. But anyway, I always wipe my toilet wand off after I use it because I don't want to transmit any germs elsewhere in the bathroom. But yeah, that's how I like to keep my toilet nice and fresh. And last but not least, I will add a fresh hand towel, and then you will see the reveal of the bathroom completely clean.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want.
Moving on to the play loft, I do have a video of this loft makeover to what it is now. I'll try to have that linked in the cards for you guys so you can get links for all the things that you see here. But it's a little bit dysfunctional right now. I did order some new books for the kids, and I really want to put them on the shelf. I want to declutter, get rid of some things. Lucas has a ton of papers that he comes home with of activities that he does in school. I will be filing them away. I'm just gonna clean it up a bit, wiping down some surfaces, cleaning the table, vacuuming, all that jazz.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. Then one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweet, sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me away. Yeah, I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. As he sang, she started to dance, grabbed his arm and took his hand. He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. I wish you were mine. 'Cause every time you pass me by, I fall in love. I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you pass.
And here is the final reveal. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this quick cleaning motivation in the kids zone today. Let me know how much you appreciate it or like this video by giving it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you are new here, and I'll see you guys on Friday for a new video. It will be a holiday giveaway, so make sure you have that notification bell turned on, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.
There's something about you, I wish you were mine.